Ever dreamt of running your own online store, selling cool products without the hassle of holding inventory? Dropshipping might be your answer. But with so many dropshipping tools out there, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Two big names constantly pop up, Oberlo and Spocket. So, which one reigns supreme? Before we dive in, let's rewind a sec. Dropshipping, in a nutshell, means you don't keep products yourself. When a customer orders something from your store, you forward the order to a supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. Think of yourself as the middleman, curating a storefront and managing sales, while the supplier handles the rest. Now, back to Oberlo and Spocket. These guys are essentially middlemen for middlemen. They connect your online store, think Shopify, to a vast network of dropshipping suppliers, making it easy to find products, import them to your store, and fulfill orders. But with both offering similar features, how do you pick the right one? Let's break it down into key battlegrounds. Product arsenal. Imagine your store as a castle. You want it stocked with awesome products to entice customers. Here, Oberlo boasts a massive advantage. It integrates seamlessly with AliExpress, the world's largest online marketplace. This opens the door to millions of products across countless categories. Spocket, on the other hand, focuses on US and EU-based suppliers. While this means potentially faster shipping times, the product selection is significantly smaller. Inventory management. Keeping track of stock is crucial. No one wants to sell an item that's actually out of stock, leading to disappointed customers and lost sales. Both Oberlo and Spocket offer inventory syncing. When a supplier's stock level changes, it automatically reflects in your store. However, Spocket goes a step further with real-time inventory updates. This ensures you're always displaying accurate stock information. Branding power. Your brand is your identity. You want customers to remember you, not some generic dropshipping store. Here, Spocket takes the lead. It allows you to customize invoices with your branding, including your logo and a personalized message. Oberlo currently lacks this feature. Pricing plans. Both platforms offer free plans, ideal for beginners who want to test the waters. Oberlo's free plan lets you import 500 products, while Spocket limits you to 25. However, as your business grows, you'll need to upgrade. Spocket's paid plans offer more product imports and features like automatic order routing. Oberlo, on the other hand, integrates with Shopify's higher-tier plans, which unlock additional functionalities. Customer support. Running into problems is inevitable. When that happens, you want reliable customer support to get you back on track. Both Oberlo and Spocket offer support options, but user reviews suggest Spocket might have a slight edge in terms of responsiveness and helpfulness. The verdict: it depends. So, who wins the Oberlo versus Spocket battle? Honestly, it depends on your specific needs. For beginners on a budget. If you're just starting and have a limited budget, Oberlo's free plan with its vast product selection from AliExpress might be enticing. For faster shipping and branding control. If faster shipping times and the ability to brand your customer interactions are priorities, Spocket could be the better choice. The hybrid approach. Here's a sneaky tactic some successful dropshippers use. They leverage Oberlo for its massive product range and Spocket for specific products that require faster shipping or branding opportunities. Ultimately, the best way to choose is to experiment. Take advantage of both platforms' free plans to see which interface you find more user-friendly and which suppliers resonate with your target audience. Remember, the dropshipping journey is a marathon, not a sprint. The tool you choose is just one piece of the puzzle. Focus on building a strong brand, crafting compelling product descriptions, and providing excellent customer service. These are the elements that will truly set you apart. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.